Nigerian drivers should do better when it comes to packages. Their way bills sometimes sucks. I don't understand them. They should really do better. It was so annoying when I went to get this package because they were trying to overbill me for what was not expected. It was not the plan. Well, this is me starting this video on this note. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, like and share the video. This is me while at work. Now I'm preparing to go and do the needful unbox. Now the unboxing was great. You know what it's based to unbox? Checking the picture, checking it. It was so good. Now it's not even about the package I'm checking it is my face. I'm actually looking at my face and admiring my face, nothing special. The fact that I'm even using scissors here, it's funny because I just wanted to create content. I don't use scissors. Something I'm just supposed to open once and for all. Like I just tear it and piece it and do it once and for all. But just to create content. You know, when you see those content creators, they will use scissors, unbox. This is not the work for me. I don't know why I'm doing this actually, why I'm actually holding the scissors. I tried as much as possible to use the scissors, but it was not as planned. I would have just, the normal me would just open it once and for all. I don't have that time. It is too stressful. Why am I holding scissors when I can just do it once and for all? I beg. It is all for content creating, sha. Well, I had to open it, throw the nylon, and voila, I was checking and I knew the package is something. Later I saw it, I was smiling already. I was smiling. See my signature smile. Well, I was so happy when I saw it. The lunchbox is so beautiful. Even without seeing it yet, not checking it, not seeing it yet, I knew it is something that was very portable. It looks portable, and now opening it, see my face. That is my signature dance. Anytime, any day, as I'm seeing the moment I know I'm expecting, I'm seeing something, I must always give this signature dance, and that was what I did. Wow. Wow. As in this, it's the slow motion that I even used there to open it, to bring it out from the box, from the carton rather. Oh, I'm admiring my face too, please. It's not like it's anything. And my signature dance, always give that dance anytime there is something special. That dance is one of the benefits of being me. Well, I've removed it from the nylon. So portable. So portable. I love the color actually. The white. I love it. White is something that is unique, pure, and lovely. So I'm showing the sides of the portable lunchbox. I think this is where the socket is, where I'll be plugging in the wire or the cable in order to make use of it. And that is the downside of it. I beg. I don't know English. I'm not studying English, so manage whatever I say like that. It's very portable. Now opening it, it is seeing what is inside. Wow. Shout out to the giver. Like, thank you so much. Really appreciate this. This is the best day gift I was not expecting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Wow. I am like, so this is it. This is the lunch box that I've been expecting. And I saw this measuring cup. What is it used for? I think that is the quantity of water you'll be using for it. Don't worry, we will do that. We will do that a video on that. Exactly what I saw in the video. We are also replicating that also. So I saw this. So this is where the water, you put the quantity of water in order to either warm the food or probably maybe you're making use of it to cook. So that's what I'll be doing. So that's it. That's the down layer. That's the lower layer of the lunchbox. That's it. And I am trying to show the upper part. Yeah, so that is the upper part of it. I love it because it is exactly what I saw in the video. That is what is showing. Now look at this cable. The cable is very thick. It is thick. I was expecting, all these things that you see that will be very, I don't know, it is very thick. And that's one of it. And I'm actually scenting or smelling it. That scent that comes with new things, when you have new things, their smell, when you perceive them, it's different from what you have. So that is it. The smell is so, like it's scenting new. We are getting new thing. You are using new thing. And even while making use of it, immediately what is coming to my head right now is that hey, marriage things are coming up. Oh, that was what was on my mind actually, nothing more. I'm thinking that you're already getting, when you're preparing for marriage, you'll be having some things. So what was coming to my mind that moment was that you're already having your marriageable, Oyinbo, you're already having your things to your husband house. I beg you, husband there, no be the main thing with that. Now, this is everything else together, the lunchbox. We have it already, so it is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Just as it was seen in the video, exactly what I am seeing. It is not like what I ordered versus what I got extremely different. Nope. It is absolutely what I saw. And that is one of the reasons why I love it. Now, from the video, it was used to cook. It was used to prepare like the boiled meat, rice. So I'll be doing that. I'll be doing that also. The manual or the paper that was there, so I'm trying to read it to check some of the things so that I will not go and do and undo. Because we should follow the guidelines. So not only me go read them, we go read them together. That was how I was showing you that paper. So this is it. I'm trying to put them together again so that, and we are good to go. That's all about the video. Don't worry. So exactly what was replicated, what was done with it, what was done in preparing, that's the same thing I'll be replicating also. Be expectant, wait for that, and let's see how it goes. I'll be showing the video that was used when I saw the video of this lunchbox. I'll be showing that video also in order for you to understand, and we'll be replicating that also. Ask me what I'm doing again, just to show my face, my fine face actually. I'm admiring my face, nothing more. Maybe I'll use it as thumbnail. Nope, that was not what I used. Well, that's all for now. Bye. Thanks, guys. Now, this is the video I saw.